Students, now you go for the theorem. It's a very important theorem in triangles. Okay, that is the basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Thales. Thales theorem. Short form, we say that BPT theorem. Yes. Why it is a Thales theorem? Because the great mathematician, Greek mathematician, described the basic proportionality theorem. Because of that, it's given names Thales theorem. Generally, we know everybody that is the basic proportionality theorem as a small form like BPT theorem. Okay? Yeah. I will read the statement, listen properly. After reading, understanding, then you draw the figure, then you will go for the proof. Yes? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to the one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. Same ratio. Clear, children? Yeah. Now using this information, first draw the figure. I will draw the figure here. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Okay. A line is drawn parallel to one side. Suppose BC is one side. Any side you can select. I am selecting this BC. Okay. One side I am selecting. This is a DE. Is a line parallel to BC. Then intersecting the other two sides at D and E. Yes. Then it divides two sides in the same ratio. That means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. That we have to prove. Clear, children? The line is dividing AD by DB equal to AE by EC. That we have to prove finally. Yes? Yeah. For every theorem, we have 4 steps or 3 steps sometimes. Clear, children? What is that? First one is a given, and second one is to prove, and third one is construction if required. Then last one is proof. Total 4 steps required. For here also, for proving AD by DB and AE by EC, just require some construction. What are the constructions? Yes, just draw one perpendicular line here. Perpendicular line. Suppose I am selecting this as a F. Okay. Here also one more perpendicular dotted line. Here 90 degrees. That is as a G. Yes. Join here again these two. EB also joining, and finally CD also join here. Clear, children? Now construction is done. Now using this figure, we have to prove AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is a very important theorem. Listen properly, everyone. Yeah. What is the first step in this? We will go for this one. Yes. Given. What is given in this? Triangle ABC and DE is parallel to BC. Yes, that DE intersecting at AB at D and AC at E. AC at E. This is the given figure. Clear? Yeah. Now next one, what is to prove? To prove. What we have to prove? Same ratio, that is divides the two sides in the same ratio. AD by DB. AD by DB is equal to other one AE by EC. AE by EC. Clear, children? This we have to prove. Yes. Next, construction. What are the construction? Construction here joined EB, DC and perpendiculars. Yes, that you write here. Construction. Here, what is first one? Join BE and what is next one? DC. That is joining. After that, draw EF. EF is perpendicular to AB as well as AD also. Okay. And the next one is perpendicular to, can write here AB as well as AD also. Next, what is other one? DG is perpendicular to AC as well as AE. Clear, children? Yeah. Now, construction completed. We'll go for the last one, that is the proof. Important thing in this. What is the last step? Proof. Yeah. Now we'll go for the proof. Here, observing this upper part, we will select now first time from triangle ADE. Yes, from triangle ADE and select. Observing, children, from triangle ADE. Here, upper part ADE. Left side only observe this, only left side. Yes, ADE. Area of ADE you will find out from this. Area of triangle ADE is equal to area of triangle ADE is equal to, what is we know? Half into base into height. Yes, half is no change. And what is the base here? AD. AD is the base. And height is what is? EF, because it is a perpendicular. Yes, so EF. EF. Same way, another one. Area of triangle, what is another one? DEB. Only left side we are observing. DEB. Triangle DEB is equal to same, half into base into height. Half into, what is the base here? Base is the DB. DB and height is same because it is outside actually. EF only. Yes. Now area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEB is equal to, ratio finding, half into AD into EF divided by half into DB into EF. Yes, EF cancel, half cancel. What is remaining in this? AD by DB. AD by DB. That is number 1. Clear, children? One part completed. Now we will go for the right side. Yes, what is the right side is given here. Same way again, area of AED. Yes, AED and ADE both are same triangles, but only one thing is base and height is the same. Just little change in that. This height is DG and base is what is AE. Yeah, but triangle name is same. Clear? Now we will go for the right side. Left side completely completed. Now we will go for the right side. Same way, what is here? DG is perpendicular to AC. That we can use here. DG is perpendicular to AE as well as AC. Then what we used here? EF. EF is perpendicular to AB. We used here. Yes, and now we will go for DG is perpendicular to AC. Yes. Now first one, area of triangle ADE. ADE. Half into base. Now we are going right side thing. AE is the base. AE. Next into height DG. Height is DG. Clear, children? Now we will go for the second one. Area of triangle. What is the next one? D. EDC. EDC. Triangle EDC. Half into, what is the base here? EC is the base. EC is the base and height is the same. That is, what is? DG only. Height is DG. Now ratio of these two. Area of triangle ADE. Area of triangle EDC. Triangle EDC is equal to, we are finding the ratio. What is right side? Half into base is AE into DG upon denominator half into EC into DG. Here DG common things cancel and half of also cancel. What is the remaining? AE by EC, that is number 2. Clear children? One is AD by DB and second one is AE by EC. Now using this 1, 2 and one more also we have to use. Using 3 we have to prove finally AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay, we cannot prove directly 1 is equal to 2. Yes children, we will go further now. What is that we will select in this is area of these two, observe here, DEB and DEC. Yes, DEB and DEC. Observe these two triangles. What is the base for this one? Both is a common base. Clear children? This is the base DE, and both are in same parallel, between same parallels. DE parallel to BC. According to class 9th theorem, we have when two triangles are in on the same base between same parallels, the area is equal. Yes, and right here DE is parallel to BC, DE is parallel to BC, and DE is the same base. DE is the same base. Yes, okay. Now what are the triangles here? First one, triangle DEB, first one, and second one, triangle DEC, triangle DEC. Observe these two triangles are on same base between same parallels. Yes, then area is equal. Same base and between same parallels. Okay, yeah. Now area of triangle DEB is equal to area of triangle DEC. This is the class 9th theorem. Same base between same parallel lines, then area of triangles are equal. Clear children? Now both are equal. Now I will go for the reciprocals. This one, 1 by area of triangle DEB is equal to 1 by area of triangle DEC. Here both the sides multiply with AD now. This reciprocals obviously normally equal, then reciprocals also equal. Multiply both the sides, multiply right here, multiply both the sides with area of triangle ADE. Multiply both the sides with area of triangle ADE. Clear children? If you multiply LHS side, area of triangle ADE divided by denominator no change, area of triangle DEB, triangle DEB is equal to right side. Denominator is same. The numerator what we are multiplying with ADE. Area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle DEC. Yes. Now according to this situation, what is area of ADE by area of DEB? Observe what is here. AD by DB. And second one, area of ADE by area of DEC. What is it? AE by EC. Both are equal. Therefore, finally, what is this value is AD by DB. Otherwise, you can take as this is the 3. From 1 to 3. From 1, 2 and 3 equations. What is finally? AD by DB. AD by DB is equal to AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. That is AE by EC. AE by EC. This is the proof of basic proportionality theorem. Clear, children? One thing you have to remember, that is the two triangles are on same base between same parallels. Then the area is equal. Therefore, if your reciprocal is equal, then multiply with area of ADE. Area of AD by DEB is equal to AD by DB first time, and second time area of ADE by area of DEC is AE by EC. Finally, from 1 to 3, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is hence what is proved. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Clear, children? This is the basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem.